Welcome back to Whelen Command Pro Tips. On this episode, we are going to talk about how to set up an advanced TA. For this episode, we are using the Carbide system with Liberty 2 Duo 54-inch with Duo Traffic Advisor. To start, we are going to configure the left TA on TA left button. We'll select all the amber modules in the rear of the bar, and under Flash Patterns, select TA 1 lamp sequence left. Hit Escape to deselect the modules. At this time, we will also want to turn all the red and blue modules off in the rear of the bar. So we will select all of these, and then under Action, Turn Off. Now we will do the same thing under TA right. We will select all the amber modules in the rear of the bar, select 1 lamp sequence right, Escape to deselect the modules, select all the warning modules in the back of the bar, and set them to off. And again, click Escape to deselect the modules. For TA split, we will go under Events. This is pre-configured, but we just need to assign a flash pattern to it. We will select TA split from the list. We will now select all the amber modules in the rear of the bar. Select 1 lamp sequence split, and then we will select all the warning modules in the rear of the bar and turn them off. And again, click Escape to deselect the modules. With our TA now set up, we can select our virtual timers. Select Virtual Inputs. Now select Virtual 4 and go to the Properties page. We are going to change the name to TA Timer. We will also set the switch type to Variable Timer at 4 seconds. We will now select Virtual 5, change the name to TA Warning, change the switch type to Variable Timer, and the time to 4 seconds. With TA Warning still selected, we will go to the Lightbars page, select all of the amber modules, and set them to off. We can now select a flash pattern for the red and blue modules. We will highlight these, go to Flash Pattern, Any, Action Scan, Alternate. We will click Escape to deselect the modules. We will now need to set up our virtual inputs to tumble. To do this, we will go to Virtual Inputs, Inputs, and then Virtual Inputs. We need to set our virtual inputs to tumble. So in the off state of TA Warning, we will set the action on TA Timer to go to next state. This will restart the TA timer. Now, in the off state of TA Timer, we will select TA Warning to go to next state. This will restart the TA Warning. The virtual inputs will now keep tumbling each other until we turn them off. To start our virtual inputs, we need to select TA Left on the control head. On the Inputs page, on Virtual Inputs, we need to set TA Timer Go to Next State. This will start the virtual inputs tumbling. We will also need to start our virtual inputs tumbling on TA Right control head button. And on the TA Split event. Now that we have started the tumbling process, we want to set up a way to stop it. To do this, we will create a new event, and we will label it TA Virtuals Off. We will have 2 conditions for this. TA Left is off, and TA Direction Right is off. We can now close out of the window. On the Inputs page under Virtual Inputs, we will set the action for TA Timer and TA Warning to off. Now we will want to look at the priorities list. We will want to move TA Timer and TA Warning above the TA Direction Left and TA Direction Right. Thank you for watching Command Pro Tips, and stay tuned for more episodes.